and welcome back to my final morning report analysis video on Wednesday 7th of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at gold, which sharply moved high yesterday. Dollar weakness certainly helped gold rally, and it's now broken that downtrend decisively, really broken that downtrend. You can probably get rid of that downtrend now. And the market looks to be sort of playing out this sort of ranging phase between sort of 1300 and 1360, sort of 1360 area, really, doesn't it? Seems as though that seems to be in place, and sort of the momentum indicators bottoming out would suggest that as well. Certainly if the MACD lines start to tick higher, stochastics rising, it also points towards an improvement on a near-term basis. But the fact that the that the market failed at 1341, which is that reaction high this morning, and been unable to sort of continue the move higher, would sort of question, I suppose, a little bit whether it can continue higher. But certainly you'd argue that the momentum indicators bottoming out, and the fact that the market has sort of broken that little downtrend as well, that sort of bolsters that support around 1300, and should sort of now be a key level in place there as support. On the hourly chart, you can see that there is an uptrend that I've drawn in here, which is developing in this rally. And you've got to sort of look at the momentum indicators on the hourly as well. The RSI sort of bottoming around 40, MACD lines bottoming around neutral, which all suggests sort of a more positive configuration. Interesting again, 1341 basis of resistance, but 1332 was a bit of a pivot. The market sort of retreated back towards that. So if the market sort of continues to hold up and onto 1332 today, as this sort of consolidation has sort of come underway, then again that could be seen as a little bit of a near-term buying opportunity. You've got further support at 1325 to 1327 as well. This rising at 21-hour moving average basis of support, which is flanking that uptrend as well. So this could still just be a little bit of a corrective move that comes back, and then the market sort of rallies within that uptrend and retests 1341. But a breakout above 1341 would reopen the highs again. But it certainly looks as though that the market is still improving. But again, if this sort of candle sort of closed, as it were, here today, that's a little corrective candle, isn't it? And a little bit of a failure move. So yeah, there's a little bit of uncertainty on gold at the moment, unable to sort of continue this move higher, but a bit of choppy moves anyway in markets in the last couple of days. But certainly the support at 1300 remains in place, and sort of continuing to build. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.